this video, we learn how to manage live price update extension. When we say manage, we learn what are the features available at the backend, how you can use them, and when you need to use them. So let's begin. First of all, log in into your OpenCart admin. As you can see, I have already logged in. Now click on extensions again. Now click on modules, and as you can see, our module live price update is listed over here. Click on edit. Before talking about the given options, I would like to discuss why we basically use this extension. I hope at this point you must be knowing we use this extension to update our product prices whenever the option or the quantity of the product is updated. For example, if the price is $100 and if you have one quantity, as soon as the user selects two quantity, the price changes to $200, and that too in real time. So now related to that, we have some options on the backend. So let's see what are they. Number one, here you have two options to raise a ticket and to watch the video tutorial. So if you click on video tutorial, you will be redirected to the video tutorial page, and if you click on raise ticket, you will be redirected to BlueCommerce ticket portal. Now going down on the main options. So the first option is calculate price according to quantity selected, and you have yes or no, two options. What does this mean? This means if you change the quantity, the price will be changed. Do you want to set this yes or no? We have already set this yes, because yes, we want to change the price if we change the quantity. Number two, how do you want to show product price? So the options are show total price, product price plus option price, and show option price. So what this actually means is, if somebody changes or selects an option, the final price which is being shown on top would be product price plus option price. I'll explain this with the help of an example. Let's go to our front end. Let's select a product. So here, as you can see, the price of the product is $123.20, and we have three options: small plus $12, medium plus $24, and large plus $60. So if I select medium, the price would be $123 plus $24 for medium, and the total comes to $147. So this is because at the back end we have selected this, the product price plus option price. If we just select show option price, let's select this and let's save it. Let's refresh the page, and now if I select the option, it will show the option price next to it. It won't show a total price. So that's how this works. Number third option is how do you want to show the option price? So these are the option price: plus 12, plus 24, plus 60. We have three options for this as well, and those are, four options. Show total price. That means in option, the total price of that particular option would be shown. Number two is show only option price, which is the current default setting, only the option price. Show option percentage, you can show option percentage, and fourth is hide option price. So these are the four options, and the last is status enable disable. So these are the settings for this particular extension. You can use as per your requirement, whatever you feel like or whatever is relevant to your business. I hope this video was beneficial for you. If you have any query, you can raise a ticket or you can go through this video again. Thank you, Karan.